What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Willis Mchunu was a respected veteran of the ANC and a former premier of KZN. He held, several senior positions that includes the MEC for Transport and Community Safety. In 2024, he was disillusioned, by the ANC's direction and its exclusion of the MK party from coalition talks. So he then resigned and joined Jacob Zuma's MK party. There at MK, he was then appointed as the party's KZN convener. So Mchunu saw that MK was a new political home, that better represented the will of the people, especially in KZN. But however, that new journey now, it quickly turned sour. Mchunu faced, internal resistance, was booed at rallies, and accused by MK members of being an ANC spy. Can you imagine that? So, despite his seniority, he found himself undermined, disrespected, and sidelined within the party that he had hoped would offer a fresh start. So looking at all of this, the experience of Willis Mchunu, it reflects the harsh reality that the grass isn't always greener on the other side. Because when you are with party A and seeing all the chaos that is there at A, you might think that, B is much, much better because you'll be seeing from a distance. But once you go there to B, you would start to see that B is even worse than what I had actually thought. I thought it was going to be better, but it's going to be a massive, massive disaster. So usually swapping one dysfunctional system for another, it can only deepen the disappointment. I'll catch you guys on the next one.